Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Peasy Vocab. Today we are going to learn about phrasal verbs that can be used while shopping. The first one is check out, means to pay your bill, return your room key and leave a hotel. In the first image, you can see a girl giving her credit card to the cashier. Once Emma picked the fruits, she went to check out. That means she went to pay the bill for the fruits she picked. In the second image, you can see a family of four in the hotel. We checked out of the hotel before 10 a.m. That means they left the hotel before 10 a.m. The next one is bought up, means to buy the entire supply that is available. In the first image, you can see a lot of tacos. Henry bought up all the tacos in the store. That means he bought the entire supply of tacos that were in the store. In the second image, you can see land with greenery. There are few houses as well. Claire bought up all the land in the surrounding area. That means whatever land you can see in the image is all bought by Claire. The next one is pay for, means to give money for something you're buying or to be punished for doing something bad. In the first image, you can see a girl swiping her credit card. Hannah used her credit card to pay for the shoes. That means she gave money for the shoes she bought. In the second image, you can see a boy picking out or taking purse from her handbag. Is that the right thing to do? No, right? He should not be stealing. We all pay for our mistakes in some way at some time. That means to suffer because of a mistake. We all will be punished in some way or the other if we make a mistake, right? The next one is crossed off, means to put a line through a word in the list. In the image, you can see that he put a line through words milk and flour as he got them into his cart. He crossed off each item on the shopping list as he found it. That means he found milk and flour, so he crossed off, and he still needs to find sugar, cheese, oil, and apple. The next one is checked off, means to put a check mark or a tick mark next to a word in the list. In the image, you can see that Tina put a check mark for bread. That means she already got the bread and she still needs to find milk, eggs, and tomatoes. Tina put bread in her basket and checked it off her shopping list. The next one is pick up, means to collect an item that is ordered online or in a website, or to lift someone or something using your hands. In the first image, you can see an Apple store. Last week, we went to the local Apple store to pick up the new iPhone that we ordered. That means we ordered the iPhone online and we went to the store to pick up or to collect that iPhone. In the second image, you can see a girl crying. When Luna started crying, her mom picked her up and gave her a cuddle. That means her mom lifted her up and cuddled. Got it? The next one is looking around, means to visit a place and see what is there. In the image, you can see a beautiful neighborhood. We are looking around for a house in this area. That means we are searching for a house in that area. The next one is shopping around, means to compare the price and quality of the same or a similar object in different stores. We do compare prices before we buy anything, right? Like, for example, a new car or a new home, we do compare the prices, right? And we also check for the quality. We spent a couple of weeks shopping around for the lowest insurance rates. It can be interest rates also. But if one company is giving a higher insurance rate, will you be ready to accept it? No, right? If you are given a 13%, it's too high. So what do? You shop around, you go to several stores, you go to several insurance companies, you check with them and ask them their interest rates. And finally, we will choose the one who is giving us lowest insurance rates, right? So we spent a couple of weeks shopping around for the lowest insurance rates. Shopping around is to go to several stores, compare the prices and qualities, and then take a decision. Got it? The next one is brought out, means to bring out or put a product on sale. In the image, you can see a famous person. Who is she? Okay, do you know who is the author of Harry Potter series? Yes, it is J.K. Rowling. And she came up with a new novel. Harry Potter series author J.K. Rowling has just brought out a new novel. That means she just published a new novel. The next one is lining up, means to wait in a line for something. In the image, you can see a lot of people standing in a line at the bookstore. Fans of J.K. Rowling are lining up outside the bookstore to buy the new novel. They are standing in the line waiting for their turn to buy the novel. The next one is try on, means to wear an item of clothing to see if it fits. In the image, you can see a tailor and a girl. The tailor asks the girl to try on the new dress. That means she asks the girl to see if it fits her. The next one is try out, means to try a new item or product to see what it is like. In the image, you can see a proper South Indian menu. Tara says, don't forget to try out the new menu at the restaurant. That means to try the new items in the menu. The next one is sold out, means to sell all the available items with nothing left. In the image, you can see there's a symbol called sold out for the musical concert. The tickets for Taylor Swift's concert sold out within hours. That means tickets are no longer available. The next one is stock up, means to buy a lot of something that is needed. If you remember, during COVID, we all got lots of sanitizers, Clorox packs, tissue rolls, and many more, right? So we just stocked up. During COVID, we stocked up on Clorox packs to disinfect and get rid of the germs and viruses. The next one is send back, means to return an item to the seller by mail. In the image, you can see broken cups and saucers. The cups I bought online are broken. I'm going to send them back. That means I'm going to return them to the seller. The next one is take back, to return a product to the store from where it was bought, or to admit something you said wrong. In the image, you can see two girls talking. Nancy didn't like the dress she bought from Macy's, so she decided to take it back. That means she decided to return that to the store. The next one is to admit something you said wrong. Sometimes we say, all right, I take back what I just said. It wasn't your fault. Sometimes we say, I take back my words, right? That means I admit that I said wrong. The next one is knock down, means to reduce prices. In the image, you can see a jewelry store. You can see some gold jewelry. Khan's Jewelers knocked down the price of gold jewelry by 15% to attract customers. That means Khan Jewelers reduced the gold jewelry prices. The next one is snapped up, means to buy something very quickly as soon as it becomes available. That means if Khan Jewelers announce that they're giving 15% off, So you are almost ready, or you'll run to take the 15% off and get some nice jewelry you like, right? That means you are ready to buy gold when it is coming for a lesser price, reduced price. In the image, as I said, you can see a lot of crowd in the jewelry shop. Khan's jewelers offer was already snapped up by the customers. That means the moment they announced the discount or the 15% reduction, you had a lot of customers who already grabbed that opportunity and got their jewelry. Got it? Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you so much.